Try Siri, huh? Here.
Ask Siri.
Open Facebook.
I don't see an app called Facebook. You could try searching the App Store.
Oh no, they don't
do
have
I
the
know?
Facebook application. Hi guys,
Hi,
today actually we are not planning to do some vlogging. Like our vlog was a bit different actually as what we've planned, but something happened, like some situation occurred, and he's so happy that he can't stop asking me to do this vlog. He bought a MacBook
Pro.
and he wants to unbox it.
Yes.
He wants to unbox it in front of you guys.
MacBook Pro. Yeah. Yes, 13 inch.
So my husband here will take over my vlog and let him do the explanation, and we will just be audience.
Yes, I bought MacBook Pro 13 inch. Yes, and this is 2.4 gigahertz quad core, and just storage is 256 gigabyte because I don't need it so much like storage. Yeah. Anyway, I stopped
Don't show like this.
taking pictures. Let's unbox. This is first time for me, Mac. So excited.
First time to buy Mac. I'll be your cameraman then.
Are you sure? I'll show MacBook Pro like this. Like
Yay.
this. Wrapping proper to.
Yay.
Finally, I could open.
Unboxing.
Yeah.
Japanese man unboxing a MacBook Pro in front of a
Look at
Filipina.
this film. So transparent film. Yes. This is
He's just trashing it there.
something like iPhone's case, yeah. So proper and gorgeous. Maybe I can sell.
Sell what?
Box
Oh,
carton. So proper. Look at this.
you know, in Japan, they also, some of the companies will also buy, also buy
Inside.
boxes if it's proper.
Yes.
Wow.
So
So smooth. Is this covered? Oh yeah, it's covered.
I can just push up maybe here. Like this. Like this. And yeah, I'll just put this here anyway. I'll not watch main dish at first. Let's check. This is charger maybe. USB type C. Very nice. I don't know how to open this. I need a high IQ. Can I just break? Oh, yeah.
Can I see
just
excited face,
slip.
happy face?
Slip. Did you see? Like this.
What?
First time. Like this. Take off like this.
Oh, wow.
First time to see.
Good packaging.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Maybe charger. USB type C. And oh yeah, I'll put it here.
USB type C. How long is that, Papa?
Maybe 1 meter. Oh, more than 1 meter. Oh, long a bit.
How long is that charger?
Maybe 2 meter.
2 meters?
2 meters, yeah.
Wow.
And thick.
What a long
Nice.
charger.
What's this? Designed by Apple in California. Something
What's that?
insurance paper or? Like how to use like that.
Manual?
Like this. Welcome to MacBook Pro like that.
Wow. Are the information's instruction written there?
Yeah. But I heard like Apple's product doesn't need instruction because it's free. How do I say? Free to use. Like no need to be like study. That's why iPhone's easy to use too. Did you get
No
it?
need to study, no need
Yeah, we can.
manual so much.
We can do as we feel like that.
Oh,
Like this is a charger.
like freestyle.
Yeah, adapter.
What's that?
Adapter. Like transfer.
That's the adapter.
So proper packing.
What colors do they have?
Space gray and silver. But I like it thicker, a bit gray. The silver is really silver. This is charger. And
Charger is sideways.
I can use this USB Type-C. I think this is 60 watt. Yeah, 61 watt. So fast to charge. 61
61 watt.
Yeah, so fast.
Fast charge.
Okay. Inside is only this. Oh, there is seal.
What's that seal?
Apple seal, but I don't need this one. Who wants? No, I don't.
He's so strict.
Look at this. Packing, sealing proper. Yeah. Just like engines, liquid packing, huh? And opening. Wow. I'll put it here, okay?
Okay.
And this is the backward. Okay. Open it.
Nice.
This like leg, huh?
Like what?
Leg.
Leg.
This one.
Ah.
Look this. The screw is all flat. All flat. Like
Screws.
all flat.
Screws are all flat.
Head is inside. Like no scratch. I don't feel bad. Very smooth. Huh?
Super smooth.
And this one.
What's that? I can see your hand.
Sorry, I'm so sweaty today.
He's nervous, guys.
And look at this.
He's kind of tension.
Earphone jack, USB Type-C. There, two, and here has also two Type-C. Yeah, very nice. Okay, and you can also see like no hinge. We can't see hinge. Yeah, very nice. Like all inside of this square, not like
Is that square?
square.
Is that MacBook Pro square, not
But
rectangle?
having round, but square. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I like this because small. As normal, like PC's adapter is bigger. Don't you think?
How big is that? No, how small is that?
And
How small is that? Please tell them. Why?
8 centimeter each, and square.
8 by 8?
8 by 8, and height is 2 centimeter. I will stick. Kenshin, don't touch, please.
Good thing the baby is still asleep.
I can plug here anywhere. All are USB Type-C, and I think USB Type-C has no front or back. Yeah, I can put any places. Okay, you can come this way. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. And light, this is 1.37 kilograms.
1.73?
Oh, 1.37.
1.37
Yeah, 1.37 kilograms.
And from here to here, is that
30 cents.
30 centimeters?
And 20.
The length, how about the height?
Height is so thin, just 1 inch like that. Yeah, anyway, except for that behind the leg part, yeah, so thin, really thin. Just I feel 1 inch.
It's almost
under 1
really
inch.
flat
Yeah. Very
on the
nice.
surface where you put it.
Maybe this has leg because of put out the heat proper when it's heating, right? I heard MacBook has not so much fun too. Yeah, and we can open easy too from here. Open. Oh, why display has like this?
Wow.
I'll take off. Wow. And now loading, huh? Which one? Japanese,
Which language?
English?
English, please.
English? No Tagalog? you want to see?
To use English as the main language, press the
Yes.
return key.
Okay. Look at this.
Can't wait.
I studied in the shop. 2 fingers. I can do this. Look at this.
Wow,
Can you see?
scroll down.
Scroll down,
You can scroll
up.
down with using 2 fingers
Actually,
next to each
if
other.
it's my company's Windows, I have to click here and like this. But this one just like this. But I don't know like
Wow.
so much other, how they say,
How about just one finger? Can you show if it's just one finger?
one finger.
How does it work?
Cursor.
Just cursor. And if you use two fingers,
Yeah, scroll up,
it can
down.
scroll up and
Yeah.
down.
I heard
Wow.
3 fingers, like go back. Like there are many types I can use fingers. So staff said no need a mouse, just the trackpad.
Tap Touch ID. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on Touch ID.
Continue.
Papa, you have to put place your finger first.
Look at this. It's written lift and rest your finger
Finger on Touch ID repeatedly.
one time. Oops, you clicked. Oh, I didn't know I could click. Look at this. Touch.
Until it will be full, maybe.
This is same with iPhones. Unlock, right? Cover Touch ID. Hey, lift. Place your finger. Keep going.
Capture the edges of your fingerprint. Yeah, just keep placing your finger on it.
So 맨득사요.
Touch ID is ready.
Wow. So vivid, huh?
They have here different applications.
Big Kenshin's favorite movie.
Nice.
Sounds like they're having
And
fun.
yeah, I didn't know. I can forward move like here.
Forward.
Forward.
Touch
Touch
screen.
forward and back. Yes. And I can change bright full display.
Brightness.
Yeah, brightness. And this sound.
Oh, yes, I did.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah, very nice, huh?
Captain Hog and Dogbeard.
I don't know how to use other. You can skip stop here too.
Very well. Oh, yes. It's been lots of
Wow.
fun.
What's this?
How about like tabs, Papa?
Actually,
Tab.
tab of what?
Like you said, like it's showing here, like what are the things
This
you're
one.
looking.
Going back. And this tab. Oh, this one. This one.
It shows what are the tabs
Facebook.
that you opened.
Back like that.
Wow, amazing, super. Can you watch Mama's YouTube then?
George,
Look at this.
are you looking
Can you see?
forward to the playgroup?
Wow,
How to do that? I don't. And it became here.
picture in a picture.
Oh, look at that. Did you see?
Let's watch Mama's YouTube.
But I want to play with the big children. Not George in his toy
Mama's
dinosaur.
YouTube.
Oh dear. Peppa doesn't want George to go to her playgroup.
The sounds are really like loud if you make it loud.
We're here.
The quality of the sound is very
Are you sure
This is
George
Mama's
big
channel.
enough?
He'll be fine.
yeah. Hello, Mama.
All right. He could come.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice, huh?